Hey everyone, Yuzu Boy here, or call me Zuzu. Today I am going to dive into a game called Go Go Hamster Chef. It looks really cute, so I can't wait to play it. Alright, here we go. I don't know what the heck is that about, but okay. Do another day, another dinner. And now I'll make a simple salad. I've got all the ingredients right here on the floor. Yummy ground food. But with a little preparation, this can be a gourmet dish. I'll just cut this up at the cutting board. Deposit carrot, open fridge. Oh, okay. That's funny. Uh, deliver sample salad to me. Okay. Everybody knows the first part of using a cutting board is to choose a recipe from the recipe list. Okay, alright Reggie, you're gonna get it. I have to press the correct buttons. Oh, okay. I love a cutting technique from the great chef Stinky Foot. I can hear his voice in my head even now. He should tell me now, cut up the other ingredients on the recipe list. My ingredients are prepped, now it's stove time. The best salads are made in stoves, don't you know? No, not really. Okay. Old chef Stinky Foot once told me with different appliances you can make different things. Now I can finish my simple salad. Okay. Voila, one simple salad. A humble meal for humble hamster. My mouth is watering. Bon appetit, me. Stir fry, simple salad, carrot stew, and carrot shrimp stew. Murmuring gets me Hopper from down the road. I was just scooting by on the way home and smelled something good cooking in here. Actually, Grandpa Hop Pop is feeling a bit under the weather. I thought it would restore his fighting Irish spirit. Could I take it off your hands for you? I can tell I could tell by your stunned silence that the answer is you betcha. Oh, I'll be waiting in front of my house for you. Bye. That's my salad though. What? That's my salad. I was kind of jazzed about eating the salad myself. Oh, it's good to be neighborly, I suppose. I'll take my scooter over to him. I parked it just up on the road. Oh wow. Right. I'll chew up pavement with my hog and get there in no time. To get to Hopper's house, I just need to follow the indicator. Can I go to different POV? I guess not. Whoa, this is nice. Hello, old friend. You brought it. Hot Pot will love this. Having a friend like you in the village sure is swell. That's it? When are we going to play this posty ball again? I like that. I guess we should get back home. Home sweet home. Sleep. Look, my first real order popped up on my phone. I can always look there if I need to remember what I'm making. I don't have any more ingredients for it though. I packed up fine ingredients sitting around the village. Deliver simple salad. Okay. Oh, I can change the POV. I just had to move my mouse around. Okay. So I need ingredients. I thought I saw a carrot. Yeah, over here. Oh, what the heck is that? Is that more ingredients over there? What are those? Potatoes. Okay. I'll take them. Wait. Oh, okay. I wanna say, why don't I be like just dropping my stuff around? More carrots. Oops. Oh, that's cute. I put it in my mouth. What's over here? Um. Okay, I think that's it. Oh, that's me. I thought it was like a little radio. That's really, really cute. Now, let's see if we can make this simple salad now. I like to keep my ingredients in my handy dandy fridge, which can still be used in appliances. Oops. So we need this for sure. And we need to get lettuce? What? Where can we get lettuce? Oh, right there. Is it lettuce? Yep, it is. You know what? I should probably look for more ingredients, just in case. And I get more. Oh my god. Okay, that's the wrap I need to deliver to. Well, I got lettuce at least. Let's get lettuce. That should be everything. Okay. And now we deliver it. Thank you for coming all the way up here. I suppose it's close enough to what I ordered. Take care now. That's all the order done and dusted. It'll be night soon. Let's head home. Oops, sorry. I wonder what the horror's gonna start. No, not into the village. Sleep. 2 more orders today. Okay. Huh, Hopper wants me to make him fries. I think I can make those with the deep fryer. But I need to find some more ingredients around the village. Fries and then simple salad to wood jam. Man, I don't know what that is. Okay, we got this. Wait, what? Lettuce. And I don't know how to do that yet, so let's do this first. Okay. So we can chop potatoes and use them here. Nice. Now we should have fries and simple salad. Alright. Let's head to the bunny first. The quality has fallen up a bit, hasn't it? I suppose it will do. Are you? Do you think I would win the best garden award this year again? I don't even know who else would challenge me. Why are you complaining about my food, sir? That's what you ordered. I don't know why you're complaining about it. Alright, let's go to the frog again. Took out my flies I could eat. Whoa, you bought fries. To be honest, I thought I was ordering flies. Oh well, you're pretty amazing. Ambajan wants carrots too. I will need onions for that dish. Onions don't grow in the village though. I should go talk to Hooper. I bet he'll know where I can get some onions. Yeah, I know where to find onions. Gotta leave the village. And there just happened to be a hole in the wall behind my house. It's usually guarded, but even a guard needs to sleep sometimes. Hop Hop told me that he used to hang out back there when he was younger before. I know you'll definitely find onions back there. But be careful, Hop Hop seems afraid of that area. If you ever drop anything in the river, let me know. I can fetch for you. I had to fetch Benjamin's phone the other day. He sure is clumsy. Over here. Oh, okay. Yeesh, it's dark. There's a strange static sound in the air. Let's just get those onions and get out of here. 4 onions should be enough to last me. I used to hide holes in this when I was a kid. I bet I could still fit if I need to, as long as my cheeks weren't too full. Oh gosh, I gotta hide. What was that? Oh, what is that? What the heck? What is that? Uh, do I get out? Will it just... Okay. Well, that's good to know, I guess. Are you serious? How am I supposed to do this then? I can't even move. Did it glitch? Is that what it is? Let's just look for these onions. Onion number one. An onion. I need anywhere I can get out of here. No. Two. I need two more. Three. Four. Three. Four onion. That should last me a while. Time to get out of here. Oh no. Hurry! Find a hole! Oh no! My onions! Okay, well, I guess it's not going away, I guess. Where's the exit? Oh no! Oh no! No! I was so close. The neighbor's that had was behind the wall. Wait, did I get it? Oh yeah, I did. I need to rest my heart. It's beating so hard. But this order can wait till tomorrow. Um, I guess no music. Hmm. We got some rest. Alright, let's do this stew. Uh, was it this? What do we need? Uh, recipe list. Can we make carrot stew? How do I know how much I need? Oh, carrot stew. Nice. Oh wait, no! Okay. This is mine now. Yeah, Hopper wants a stir fry. That needs mushrooms, but they don't grow in this village either. I'll talk to Hopper again and see if he knows where they'd be. Listen to it down there. I have been hearing static sounds all through the night. Is this what you consider music these days? What? I swear, it's gonna be back in the little place again. I'm gonna be so mad. He's got my hot pop. I told him where you found the onions. He got so mad. I've never seen him out so mad. And second note, he rushed off back there. I had to ask, but will you go look for him? He might be near the water. Please bring him back. I have to go back there again? Are you serious? Why did he go back there? Hop Hop came out here. I hope he's okay. This place is dangerous. He looks really old. I should check for him near the water. Okay, so do not step on the branches. And okay, by the water. Let's see. He should be somewhere here then. Oh, onions. I don't see him. Oh, oh, hot pot. I knew it was dangerous out here. Poor guy. Wait a second. Hopper said he left today, but this body looks like it's been dead for months. He's never got mushrooms. He's even got mushrooms growing out of him. Mushrooms. I do still need some mushrooms. Just gonna let him go to waste. So, wait. I just leave him here then? Well, he's been dead there. Wait, so then why did he say he's been asking for these foods? Did he send him there on purpose? The frog? Oh no, I hear it. Why did it stop? Please let me out. Yes. Hop Hop, I need to tell Hopper. I hope he doesn't take it too hard. You're back, but where's Hop Hop? No, you're mistaken. Hop Hop can't die. You don't know him like I do. He can't die. He didn't die. He'll be back. He always comes back. Just to wait, you'll see. Um, okay. Okay, stir fries. Mushroom. We also need onions and potato. Potato. Yeah, select. Nice. Do I still deliver it or do I go to sleep? I'll just sleep. Dishes with mushrooms sir are popular today. Stir. Good thing I grabbed all these while I was out. I just hope no one asks me where they came from. Let's get to work. And carrot shrimp stew. Carrot shrimp stew, onions, carrot, and mushrooms. Carrot. Shroom. And what else? Carrot, shrimp stew, onions. Oh. It's raining. How come it's only been the rabbit and the frog ordering food? who else lives in this neighborhood? This is... Well, it's just empty. I want to get away from here. I want to get away from you. All of you. You simpery twits. Um... Mushroom... Wait. Benjamin. Itchy. Tasty. Okay. The sign is bothering Hop Hop. He's so mad. Oh, this? I ordered this from you? Oh, okay, I believe you. I will eat this. That's all orders done and dusted. It's gonna be night soon. Let's head home. What about your pop? Oh. Oh, that's the chef. Okay. That he mentioned in the beginning. No orders today. That's odd. I hope everyone really liked my food. I hardly know what to do with myself all this free time. Maybe I'll take a walk. But it'd be a good walk, not some... Hello, it's me, Benjamin. Thank you for the food. I like the food. I want food now. Come to my house. No need to make food. It's my treat. See you soon. Why did the screen go gray? Is Benjamin okay? I had a bad feeling about this. I better stay alert. Oh no! You were dead. Thank you for the food. I like the food. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to be quick about this. Okay. He's glitching like crazy, and then... How do I outrun him? Okay. Okay, you know what? Okay, and now... Where do I go? To my house? Oh my god. Oh my god. Was the food corrupted? Oh my god. Oh, is that what it was? Watch where you're slapping, buddy. Oh my god. That's really cool. Oh my god. That bread's hot, not great. You could use some fresh food. Carrots. Oh no! I missed it. Come on, open wide. Come on, time to eat. Okay, so I can only give it to him when he's like in that position. Oh no. He won't eat it. Okay. That's me during this. Ah, God, I missed. Ow. You know, I'm gonna try swimming it as much as I can when he opens his mouth again. Ah. Oh my god, he got more faster. Oh, he's catching up on me. Oh no! Oh, oh, I did it. Oh no! Oh. That dog is weird. That ain't no dog. Go, go, hamster chef. That's it? Wow. It was fun though. I like the little battle scene at the end. I thought this was horror. This is more like a, what was it? Like a, not a action game. Um, but it's not horror. It's just I like this game. It wasn't even horror at all. It was fun. Wow. Actually, really nice. I liked it. Well, there you have it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for me, please. It would mean a lot to me, and I would really like the support you guys give. But with that, that's the video, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, everyone.